Welcome to Core Reflex Reset. I'm Cassidy, and I will guide you through simple yet powerful exercises to restore and strengthen your core reflexes so you can move with confidence and ease in your everyday life. We're going to start with some diaphragmatic breathing, lying on your back, knees bent, feet flat, placing your hands on your ribs, inhaling into the ribs. As you exhale, sweep your arms overhead slowly as your ribs draw gently down. And then you're going to return your hands back onto the ribs. When you inhale, you want to feel your ribs expand wide and in the backside. You're going to do 6 to 8 breaths, just focusing on the gentle activation of the abs, the gentle spinal extension and flexion coordination. On your inhale, really expand through your ribs, inhaling through the nose, and then exhaling out the mouth. Trying not to let anything change in your pelvis, keeping your pelvis nice and neutral. Hopefully you feel your breath getting deeper and longer as you do more reps. Nicely done. You're going to go into the dead bug, lying on your back, arms up, knees bent at 90 degrees. Lowering the right arm and the left leg out, and then alternating. Inhale as you extend the arm and the leg. Exhale as you bring them back home. You're going to do 6 reps, alternating sides. Really focusing on your core reflex in this cross pattern and your spinal stability. When you exhale, feel your belly button draw toward the back of your spine. Trying not to let your belly pooch. Keeping the back of your ribs and lower back really anchored on the mat. Taking your time, focusing on the quality of your movement. Moving with your breath. Taking your time to connect into your body. You got this. One more time. Nicely done. You're going to go into a gentle side bend, sitting with your legs crossed. Really feeling the length in the ribs. Breathing into the side of your ribs. Switching sides. You're going to do 4 reps per side, focusing on that core reflex in your side bending, opening up your lateral line. Back over to the first side. Really savoring the stretch. Hopefully you feel your mobility increasing with each rep. Staying anchored through your sit bones. Just moving in the spine and the waist. You got this. Getting deeper into the stretch. Switching sides. Nicely done. Great work today. Remember, I've been teaching for 25 years, and the most important thing is to listen to your body, modify when needed, and stay consistent. 4 times a week is best. You can do these exercises as a standalone, quick routine, or you can flow through them as a circuit for a deeper reset. If any exercise feels tough, focus on that one. That's your weakest link. Next time, we'll build stability and rotation into your core reflex. See you then. Bye for now.